Environmental issues and the ocean's health is a no-nonsense issue for them. They know that taking care of our ocean and our climate is really just taking care of ourselves and our families. I think every kid in Florida goes through that phase where they realize that something isn't quite right there. Because as a kid, it's fun to kayak down flooded streets, but you start to see that there's a deeper issue involved. And that issue is sea level rise and the anxiety that comes with thinking that your home may be unlivable in the future. A lot of times, people in Florida can blame the ocean for our problems, but the ocean is really a solution to a lot of these problems. So, for example, to fight coastal erosion, we can restore and protect blue carbon ecosystems by building mangroves, seagrasses, coral reef ecosystems, because we know that these ecosystems provide resiliency for our beaches and coasts, while at the same time absorbing carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and safely storing it. There was a group of people, including youth, who advocated for nature-based solutions rather than a simple concrete wall. And they spoke about building artificial reefs and mangrove ecosystems that can do the same, if not better, than concrete walls. Because we know that they build habitats for local marine wildlife, while at the same time providing the resiliency that Miami needs. It's important to engage young people because young people are the ones being impacted by this. Right, everyone's being impacted by it right now, but it'll be exponentially worse for young people. So by including youth at the table, you can really hear their voice and their perspective on these issues. Because sometimes for adults, it can be a lot of economics, and that's important. But for youth, it's a no-nonsense issue. We know that we need action now. Going to schools, teaching about the climate crisis and water conservation. I would bring buckets of ocean water. The kids would be able to test healthy and unhealthy water, so they would see firsthand the difference between what it should be and what it should not. The biggest issue is the lack of knowledge of nature-based solutions, and so that's part of the work that we do with Earth Echo and the Youth Leadership Council. So we developed an educational event planning toolkit to equip young leaders around the world with resources to promote educational events on protecting 30% of the ocean by 2030 and establishing marine protected areas in their local communities. The ocean is not just a victim of climate change. It's a powerful source of solutions. We have to increase the resiliency of our ocean and coastal ecosystems. Because we know when the ocean is given a chance, it can recover at a remarkable rate.